Hello, this is the Yoshi Fan 200, and today we're going to be installing a new RAM, or as they call it, random access memory. First, remove the keyboard with these two tabs located on the keyboard, and lift that up. Next, remove the airport card if you have one. If you do not, skip this step and proceed to the next step that I'm going to be showing you. Once you have the airport card taken out, or if you do not have an airport card, make sure to have a number 0 Phillips screwdriver and remove these two screws, as I will demonstrate. Put them in a secure location afterwards once you remove these screws. Once you remove the two screws, now you can remove the panel. Once you remove the panel, you can now see the RAM. There are these two little tabs over here and over here, which you have to simultaneously press at the same time. Once you press the tabs, it will now look like this, and you can now remove the RAM. Get your new RAM, and if it's in a bag like this, just remove it off from the baggie. And now place it. This must align with that, with the little nub. Place it in a 45-degree angle and make sure it goes in. Once it is in, now you can just lower it and the tab will put it back in place. Replace the shield of where it was and reinsert the screws that was holding these. Once everything has been put back in its place, you can now close the keyboard, and you now have finished on replacing the RAM. Thank you for watching, and more tutorials will come out soon.